Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This immediately shows Apple ID and subscriptions. Once there, tap Subscriptions to view active plans. Make sure you're on the device that manages billing, because changes apply to the Apple ID across devices. If you're using a Mac, open System Settings, then click your name. The path is similar. Do this now so you can locate the iCloud Plus plan without delays and proceed to the cancellation steps. Once you're viewing iCloud Plus details, tap Change or Manage Plan. This reveals subscription options and the Cancel subscription choice. When you choose Cancel, read the confirmation. Apple often keeps services until the end of the current billing period, so you won't lose data immediately. Confirm cancellation and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or password when prompted. After confirming, note the expiration date shown. Make sure you understand when storage limit. After canceling, verify the confirmation email and the listed end date so you know when your storage drops. Make sure to back up or download any files that exceed the free 5 GB before the plan ends. Otherwise, syncing will pause and new data won't upload. If you don't see cancel, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in or check another device. Sometimes the option moves. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific help. Have your Apple ID ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.